Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Working with JSON data in Google BigQuery, a comprehensive tutorial. Google BigQuery has excellent native support for JSON data, allowing you to store, query, and manipulate JSON documents directly within your datasets. This tutorial will guide you through the various aspects of working with JSON data in BigQuery, covering topics like storing JSON data, how to ingest JSON data into BigQuery tables, querying JSON data, using SQL functions to extract values from JSON fields, manipulating JSON data, creating and modifying JSON objects within queries, data types within JSON, understanding how BigQuery infers and handles different data types within JSON, performance considerations, tips for optimizing queries involving JSON data, common use cases, examples of practical scenarios where JSON support in BigQuery is valuable, error handling, how to gracefully handle common errors when working with JSON. Let's dive in. 1. Storing JSON data in BigQuery. BigQuery stores JSON data using the JSON data type. There are several ways to ingest JSON data into BigQuery tables. Creating a table with a JSON column. You can define a table schema with one or more columns of type JSON. Loading JSON data from files. BigQuery supports loading JSON data from files stored in Google Cloud Storage, GCS. Supported formats include new line delimited JSON, and JSON. Each line in the file represents a valid JSON object. This is generally the most efficient and recommended format. JSON, single JSON array. The entire file contains a single JSON array of objects. Example, loading JSON from GCS using BQ command line tool. Explanation BQ load, the BigQuery load command. *source format equals new line delimited JSON, specifies the input file format. Your project your dataset your table, the fully qualified table name. *gs your bucket path to your data.jsonl, the path to your end JSON file in GCS. Use .jsonl or .end.json as file extensions. *ID integer metadata JSON created _@ timestamp, specifies the schema of the table. The schema must be provided when loading JSON into a table with a JSON column if auto detection is not enabled. Example, loading JSON from GCS using the BigQuery Web UI. 1. Go to the BigQuery Web UI in the Google Cloud Console. 2. Select your dataset. 3. Click Create Table. 4. In the Source section. Create table from Cloud Storage. Select file from Cloud Storage, browse to your end JSON file. File format, JSON, new line delimited, . 5. In the Destination section. Table name, your table. Table type, native table. 6. In the Schema section. Enable auto detect schema. Or manually define the schema, including the JSON column type. 7. Click Create Table. Inserting JSON data via API or client libraries. You can use the BigQuery API or client libraries, Python, Java, etc., to insert JSON data directly into your tables. This is useful for real-time data ingestion or for integrating BigQuery with other applications. Example, Python. 2. Querying JSON data. BigQuery provides several SQL functions to extract values from JSON fields. *JSON_value, JSON_string, JSON_path, extracts a scalar value, string, number, boolean, or null, from the JSON object at the specified JSON path. Returns string type. Explanation asterisk. JSON_value, metadata, $.name, extracts the value associated with the key name within the metadata JSON object. The dollar represents the root of the JSON object. *cast, JSON_value, metadata, $.price, as numeric, extracts the price as a string, then casts it to a numeric data type for numerical comparisons and calculations. Important *JSON_value always returns a string, so you must cast it to the appropriate type if you need to treat it as a number, boolean, or other type. The where clause filters rows based on the price extracted from the JSON. JSON_query, JSON_string, JSON_path, extracts a JSON fragment, a nested JSON object or array, from the JSON object at the specified JSON path. Returns JSON type. Explanation JSON_query, metadata, $.features, extracts the JSON object or array associated with the key features within the metadata JSON object. The result is itself a JSON object. JSON_extract_scalar, JSON_string, JSON_path, this is a deprecated alias for JSON_value. Use JSON_value instead. JSON_extract, JSON_string, JSON_path, this is a deprecated alias for JSON_query. Use JSON_query instead. Example with nested JSON*. Let's say your metadata JSON looks like this. To access the color, you would use 3. Manipulating JSON data. BigQuery provides functions to create and modify JSON objects within your queries. JSON_object, key, value, creates a new JSON object from a list of key value pairs. Explanation JSON_object, product_ID, ID, product_name, JSON_value, metadata, $.name, creates a new JSON object with keys product_ID and product_name, using the values from the ID column and the name field from the metadata JSON object, respectively. JSON_array, value, creates a new JSON array from a list of values. JSON_merge_patch, JSON_string1, JSON_string2, merges two JSON documents into one. If keys exist in both JSON documents, the values from JSON_string2 overwrite the values from JSON_string1. It applies a JSON merge patch, https://datatracker.ietf.org/doc/html/rfc7396. Explanation JSON_merge_patch, metadata, JSON_object, discount, 0.1, merges the existing metadata JSON object with a new JSON object containing a discount key with a value of 0.1. If the metadata already has a discount field, its value will be overwritten. JSON underscore strip underscore nulls, JSON underscore string, asterisk removes any key value pairs from the JSON object where the value is null. 4. Data types within JSON. BigQuery infers data types within JSON objects. It's important to understand how these types are handled, especially when performing comparisons or calculations. Asterisk strings are enclosed in double quotes. Asterisk numbers can be integers or floating point values. Asterisk boolean asterisk true or false. Asterisk null. Asterisk array asterisk an ordered list of values enclosed in square brackets. Asterisk object asterisk a collection of key value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Type inference and casting asterisk. BigQuery tries to infer the correct data type based on the JSON data. However, it's often necessary to explicitly cast values extracted using JSON underscore value to the desired type. As mentioned before, JSON underscore value always returns a string. If the value in the JSON string cannot be cast to the target type, BigQuery will return an error or null, depending on your query configuration and the exact casting scenario. 5. Performance considerations. Working with JSON data can impact query performance if not done carefully. Here are some tips. Materialize data if you frequently access specific fields from a JSON object, consider materializing those fields as separate columns in your table. This can significantly improve query performance. You can create a new table with the materialized columns and then backfill data from the existing table. Partitioning and clustering. Partitioning and clustering your table can improve query performance, especially when filtering or aggregating data based on values within JSON objects. You can partition by a date or timestamp field and cluster by a frequently queried JSON field, after materializing it as a separate column. Avoid using like operator on JSON strings. Using the like operator on JSON strings can be very slow. If possible, use more specific JSON path expressions or consider using regular expressions. Pre-process data. If possible, pre-process your JSON data before loading it into BigQuery to ensure data quality and consistency. This might involve cleaning data, transforming it to a more consistent format, or extracting frequently used fields. Limit the size of JSON objects. Very large JSON objects can be inefficient to process. Consider breaking them down into smaller, more manageable objects or normalizing your data into separate tables. Use appropriate data types. Ensure that the data types within your JSON objects are appropriate for the type of data they represent. This will improve query performance and prevent unexpected errors. 6. Common use cases. JSON support in BigQuery is valuable in many scenarios. Semi-structured data. Storing data from APIs, log files, or other sources that have a flexible or evolving schema. Event tracking. Capturing user interactions on websites or mobile apps, where the event data is often represented as JSON. Configuration data. Storing application configuration settings or metadata in JSON format. NoSQL migration. Migrating data from NoSQL databases, like MongoDB or Couchbase, to BigQuery. Data enrichment. Adding metadata to existing data records by storing the metadata in a JSON column. *A/B testing * storing A/B test results and user segments in JSON format. 7. Error handling. When working with JSON data, you might encounter errors such as invalid JSON format *, the JSON data is not well formed, example missing quotes, invalid characters. BigQuery will typically reject rows with invalid JSON during data loading. Use a JSON validator to verify your data. *JSON path not found *, the specified JSON path does not exist in the JSON object. JSON_value and JSON_query will return null in this case. Use save prefix with functions. If the expression evaluates to an error for some input rows, these functions return null instead of failing the entire query. *Data type mismatch * attempting to cast a value to an incompatible data type, example casting a string that is not a number to int64. You will get an error message indicating the casting failure. Handle with care and check for potential errors before casting. Exceeding maximum JSON size * BigQuery has a limit on the maximum size of JSON objects. If your JSON objects are too large, you might encounter an error. Consider normalizing your data or breaking it down into smaller objects. Unexpected null values * if a JSON path expression doesn't exist, JSON_value will return null. It's important to handle null values appropriately in your queries, using isNull or isNotNull checks. Nested JSON structures * querying highly nested JSON can lead to complex queries and potentially slower performance. Simplify the structure or use intermediate tables / views. Example of error handling *. 8. JSON schema considerations. While BigQuery's JSON type provides flexibility in handling semi-structured data, it's still crucial to consider schema evolution and data consistency. Here are some best practices. Document your schema *. Maintain documentation of the expected structure and data types within your JSON objects. This will help ensure data quality and consistency over time. Version your schema *. If your JSON schema is likely to change, consider versioning your data. You can add a version field to your JSON objects to indicate the schema version. This allows you to handle different schema versions within your queries. Use schema validation. If possible, while BigQuery doesn't have built-in schema validation for JSON data during loading, you can use external tools or scripting to validate your JSON data before loading it into BigQuery. Consider using a typed language for data processing. If you're manipulating complex JSON structures extensively, consider using a typed language like Python with libraries like Pedantic to enforce schema validation and data type constraints. You can then use the results of your data processing pipeline to populate your BigQuery tables. 9. Advanced examples. Unnesting JSON arrays *. If your JSON object contains arrays, you can use the unnest operator to flatten the array and create multiple rows for each element in the array. Complex filtering with JSON_query *. Filter based on the properties within nested JSON structures. Using JSON_arrayag for aggregation *. Aggregate data into a JSON array. By following these guidelines and leveraging the powerful JSON functions available in BigQuery, you can effectively store, query, and manipulate JSON data within your data warehouse, unlocking valuable insights from semi-structured data sources. Remember to always consider performance implications, data quality, and schema evolution as you work with JSON data in BigQuery.